nine final, right? What are we going to discuss today? What are we going to discuss? This chapter we have already discussed also, right? And I think what is given to you, um, project work, that is slide preparation is also done. But students, now what you have to do, you have to give some sort of animation to your PowerPoint presentation. Understood or not? Suppose one I will just guide you. Uh, which one they have done last time? Um, anywhere, like chapter one biology is given, right? This is okay. Wait, where is it? I think this is Manisha is here. Manisha 12, economics. First, let's check one. We might have downloaded some documents. Uh, so downloads we can see. Uh, Parts of cell. PPTX is here. Okay. So this is PDF. So this is PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Suppose let's see this one. What is here? We can edit it or not. Eh? Oh, it is in Jodo. In Jodo, we cannot. In what to say? Okay. In Microsoft Word or this one? No, Microsoft or next one, PowerPoint. This one. Okay. Now I'm going to open this one. Is it open? Not open. No, it's opening. It's opening. I think. Yeah. It will open very soon. Came? Oh, oh, sometimes this network it goes like this. It is open here, but there is not open means came, right? Science presentation it is here, isn't it? Right? It is given or not? Now, animation. What do you do? Animation. This part is here. So, flying. Why didn't come? Effects options. It's already just done or what? Otherwise, we could do here this Krijal Khadka. Animation we can do. I think she might have copied or what did she do? Copied and did. Otherwise, okay. Let's learn today. New slide will be here. New PPTs. Today I think it's being of it. Why is it going outside time again? Sorry? Why it is going here? Enable editing. Oh, it has not done enable editing. Now I will just see. Effects of this sensory nerves is given, right? So animation, let's see. Or see, you can do any. Let's just learn, right? So if it comes one by one, it looks nice. No. Now what happens? The slide comes at once, isn't it? Right? So this is the way of doing like this. So there are so many. Like next one, let's see. Okay. Okay. Which one? Split is nice. This one. Or let's see next one. Next one. Here are many more are here, eh? Like, is it okay? Or you can do spin in one like afferent knobs. You can choose another one. So these are the effects. These are different effects which we can apply in our PowerPoint presentation. Let's here. This is given here, right? Understood or not? So we can apply such type of effects in everywhere. So many are just effect options. You can go here or add animation. See zoom or another one wheel. Let's see here. Yes or no? So in mobile phone, why not? In mobile phone also. Mobile phone actually, what are you using? You are using WPS, right? So let me open it with WPS. Actually, I have done this with PowerPoint of Microsoft. This is PowerPoint. You know, this is in laptop everywhere. Actually, in your mobile phone, there is no Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. There is WPS. Now I'll open with WPS. Hey, no, in your Android phone there is no. I mean, my saying is in your mobile phone there is no Microsoft. There is WPS. WPS Word is there. WPS Excel is there. I mean, just look at here. So let me close this. Hey, save. So if you do like this, like okay, here parts of this one about brain. Brain it belongs to yours. No, brain belongs to class 9 or not? Yes, class 9. Hey, I'll just do. Now I'm opening with WPS Office. This is in Android phone. Android phone, and next one iOS. If you have got Apple product, there is this thing also, right? So here also same thing. Home, insert, design, transitions, animation, slideshow, review, view, developer tools. Many things are there, no? Just check. Where to go? Animation. You have to go to animation. First you have to check this one. Now go to animation. Now see. Came? Came? Sorry? 99, where 99? Where? Oh, the dynamic one? Dynamic, okay, let's see. So you can check any, like box. Comes or not? So many, which facilities are there in Microsoft, in WPS also there are. But it takes little bit times when you make all those slides, then go in animation and make it. First make slide. What slides you have made? You just make it. After making, now you go to every slide and which animation you want to use it, but don't forget to save it. Nistara. So Nistara forgets to attach also. So don't forget to save. If you save, then it's okay. For example, next one, here is this one. So see, the cerebellum is like the cerebellum is small part of brain. You want to apply some animation here, right? Go here. Now it is the second part of the brain, and it is cerebrum. You can make separate also, eh? Easy method or different method? So mainly you must know also. Nowadays you are making all those things, and here is slide slow means this is another thing. Like whole slide comes here, right? Now you press it. Has it come? Yes or no? Like which one did you do earlier? Let's see. Okay, the brain consists of three types, three parts. That is three parts. So you want to apply here some animations. Go to animation. I think you have written everything at once. That's why it became, if this effect is applied together. Now let me add something here down either. Now we cannot edit or what? The brain is master organ of our body, right? Let me check whether it applies some sort of animation or not. Applied somewhere else? And I think text must be separate, eh? Uh, Interesting, no? So it's very interesting. Actually, you can make it very lovely also. See, another was there, just coming tuck tuck tuck. Just I will find out here where is it. Eh? So interesting, very interesting one. This one. Uh, See, it came like that. We can use the time also. We can use time, so interval, this and that, everything is possible. So you just try yourself. So students, now what are you going to discuss is, are you feeling very lazy today? So today there is practical. We'll go for practical in our sixth bell, right? In which bell? Sixth period. Okay. So reflex. Sorry. Why it is not copying successfully? It is copying. Why to copy? So our next chapter is, what is our next chapter? Glandular system. Okay, today we will be discussing about glandular system, and for children we are going to provide uh, this PowerPoint presentation work later on. Not today, because up to Sunday dose is already over, right? Sunday's dose is completed or not? Monday means Sunday I will provide you. Today we are discussing about this portion. Glandular system. Gland. First of all, we have to know about gland. What is a gland? Do you know? What is gland? Gland is small part or organ present in our body. Small part or small organ present in our body that secretes some chemicals or juices. Two things. Now your mouth is full of saliva. If I send you outside in that sunny place, then your body will be full of sweat or not. When I give one slap, then eyes will be full of tear or not. Right? Tear, sweat, saliva, these are produced by some organs. They are small in size, but function is great. So those group of glands present in our body is called glandular system, right? So they produce one substance, enzyme. What is that? What is enzyme? Enzyme is biological catalyst. Biological means present in living beings. Catalyst helps to increase or decrease the rate of reaction. How lovely. Morning time you eat delicious food, and next morning you throw very, very stinky substance. Delicious food is supplied in this part. Very stingy substance comes from down. Same delicious food changes into stingy. It's because of those enzymes. And those enzymes are responsible for converting complex substances into simpler substances. And they help in chemical reaction also. Okay, chemical reaction. And those enzymes are found in different parts, like in alimentary canal, um, in mainly juices. Can you name some of the juices produced by our body? Saliva is a juice. Sweat is also a juice. Tears also juice. But sweat and tear, they do not help in digestion of food, right? Urine is liquid. It's not juice. It's not produced by any gland. Other juices are there. Gastric juice, pancreatic juice. They lie in our alimentary canal. They are produced. And they mix with food, reaction takes place, and products are formed in shorter period of time. So these glands are categorized into two types. What are they? Exocrine gland and endocrine gland. Exocrine, what do you mean? Exo means it seems outside, isn't it? But exocrine means those glands which contain pipe. What do they contain? Pipe or duct. Exocrine glands are those glands which lie outside also and they contain duct or pipe. Duct means pipe. Pipe and duct is same. Endocrine glands. What do you mean endocrine glands? These are the glands which lie a bit inner side and they do not contain duct. No duct or no pipe. What is given here? Exocrine glands. Okay. So this is not being effective. We will make like this. Okay. Exocrine glands. You can see the diagrams of some of the glands. Which gland is this? Liver. Which gland is this? Salivary gland. What is this? Which gland is this? Sweat gland. Liver, salivary gland, sweat gland, gastric gland, tear gland. These are exocrine glands. What are they? Why? What do they contain? Sweat gland, it is in our skin, base of the skin. Okay. And these glands contain pipe and they produce especially juices. And the juices contain enzymes. Enzymes may help in digestion of food or killing some other antibodies, right? Endocrine glands. What do you mean by endocrine glands? What is it cutting over there? Endocrine glands means those glands which do not contain duct or pipe. Whatever they secrete one chemical. What is the name of that chemical? They secrete one special chemical called hormone. Hormone is not produced by exocrine glands or by endocrine glands only. That is a chemical substance which has to communicate among different organs. So it is also called chemical messenger. What is hormone called? Chemical messenger. So what are the different endocrine glands? Do you know? One is pituitary gland. Next one, thyroid gland. Next one, adrenal gland. Why are they called endocrine glands?
Because
They do not have duct. They produce hormone. and that hormone directly mixes with blood. Exocrine glands, they contain duct, they produce juice, and the juice does not mix with blood. Hormone mixes with blood. Okay? And the hormone circulates throughout the body and helps in carrying out various functions. Okay? All right, now next thing is here. What is given? Differences between what? Endocrine gland and exocrine gland. Okay. What is the first difference? Endocrine glands are ductal glands. Endocrine, no pipe. Right? Number second, whatever they produce, it passes through duct and reaches in that part. But here, secretion is carried through the blood stream. Yes. It moves along with blood stream. Hormones. They secrete hormones. And what is number 4? Yeah. More amount is consumed. Here, less amount is consumed. Okay. Now what is next one here? Life process like respiration, digestion, etc. And their secretion is responsible for control and coordination of growth. We are able to grow. We show some sort of emotions. We are able to reproduce. It's because of endocrine glands. Altogether, 6 endocrine glands are found in our body. How many? In different regions. One endocrine gland is found in our brain. Second is found in our neck. Third is also found in our neck. Fourth is found in our just below the stomach. Another is found at the top of kidney. And next gland is found in our genitals. In case of males, testes, where? Testes. And in case of females, ovaries. These are also endocrine glands. So, what are the examples of exocrine glands? Salivary gland, tear gland, liver, gastric gland, intestinal gland, etc. An example of pituitary gland are, endocrine gland are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, etc. Right? And last for today is, what is here? Human hormone. So, this is a diagram of female and this is diagram of male. And this chapter is mainly based on endocrine glands. So, see, where are these endocrine glands? Pituitary gland in our brain. Next one, thyroid gland in our neck. Parathyroid gland also in our neck. Adrenal gland in our kidney. Pancreas just below the stomach. And in case of females, what is here? Ovary. In case of males, what are here? Testes. So, what are the 6 endocrine glands present in our body? Pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovary, and testes. Right? So, this portion will complete. Okay, what is given about human hormones?
Substances secreted by endocrine and endocrine glands. They do not provide energy to the body but have effects on growth and metabolic activities of the target cells. Hormones are commonly called cerebrovascular and chemical conjugate of the various of the body coordinated way. Distance between their origin and conjugation. Hormones are necessary for body functions. By use if hormones are produced less or inefficiently preferred to indicate it causes disorder
All right. So these hormones are chemical substances produced by endocrine gland and heterocrine gland. What is the endocrine gland? These are the glands without duct. Glands without duct or without pipe. But what do you mean by heterocrine gland? Heterocrine gland are those glands which produce juice also, hormone also. Last time we discussed three types of nerves, right? What are the three types of nerves? Sensory nerve, motor nerve, and mixed nerve. Sensory nerve, one-way type of nerve. Motor nerve, one-way type of nerve. Mixed nerve, both type of nerve, means they carry the impulse from sense organ to brain and order from brain to sense organ. Here also, exocrine gland, they contain pipe. Endocrine gland, they do not contain pipe. But heterocrine gland, they contain pipe also, they secrete hormones also, juices also. Both activities are done by them. Earlier we have heard one word, you have read also, hermaphrodite. Have you read? Hermaphrodite means organism which contains both male part and female part in the same organism, in the same body. Am I hermaphrodite? What am I? I am unisexual. I am unisexual. And if there are presence of both sex organs, that is called bisexual or hermaphrodite. Bisexual or hermaphrodite. Here heterocrine means it contains duct also, produces juice also, produces hormone also. So it is given here. Hormones are called, what are hormones called? Chemical messengers. Why are they called chemical messengers? These chemicals communicate among various parts of the body in a coordinated way. They have to communicate among different organs of our body. So they are located in different parts and they directly mix with what? Blood. Their secretion is more or less. They are secreted less in quantity. But when we discuss about these six glands, then we will find out what happens if more hormone is produced, what happens when less hormone is produced. Okay? So I said these are the different glands. What are they? Pituitary gland. Next one, thyroid gland. Next, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovary, testes. Ovary in female, testes in male. About them we will discuss next day. Understood or not? Alright? So your presentation also will continue and our class discussion also will continue. And have I given the syllabus for first term? Yes or no? How many chapters are there? Six chapters, right? So six chapters must be completed before first term. I think this is our fifth chapter or fourth chapter. This is fifth chapter. Now one more chapter is left, and then there must be question, answer, preparation, and solving and discussion. Now students, what do? According to grid, they will make question, write their answer, and present in the class. Is that clear? Now students, hello, listen. What to do? Your duty is to read endocrine means glandular system up to hormones and make your group members up to date. Leader, at first ask them to read that whole chapter, whole portion up to here only, and then ask questions. Understood or not? Okay, now stop now.